Hello dear officer, thanks to review my application. This solo project is to control two model cars wirelessly. There is a camera on the first car. Microcontroller will transmit the video back to my remote operator. You can see there is a shoe in front of my first car, and we can also see this shoe through my LCD screen. When the car is transmitting pictures, I can control the car to move at the same time. The frame rate of this system is about 1 picture per second, because I use a low-cost wireless chip, which only costs $1 Canadian. The real-life application for this project is that people cannot go to some dangerous places, such as damaged radioactive factories. Then we can remotely control this car to go into factory to take pictures. Therefore, I designed that we can save pictures in my system. After I press this button, the transmission will be switched to a higher quality model and save data into SD card. After I press that switch model button, we can see a list of previous stored pictures. In this project, I programmed the software drivers for camera, wireless chip, touch screen, and model. About LCD and SD card drivers, I download from website. And you can see this is my number 18, which is the picture of my foot. In this menu, I designed 24 numbers in one page. Actually, I spend most of my time on wireless particle design, and I will talk about that later. So these are two buttons to turn to different pages. This is to control another car. Yes, I can control two cars at the same time, but you can see that the screen is very small, and I don't want to put too many buttons on the screen. That's why I separate different menus to control different cars. Control two cars means I can control many cars. And about the data transmission in this project, only the function of wireless chip is not enough because some pictures will lose data. So I added different kinds of acknowledgement flags and rules to build the correct communication between sender and receiver. I also designed the algorithm that the car can send a video and receive command to move at the same time. Only use 1/2 duplex wireless chip. Okay, let's talk about hardware. Besides the camera, I choose STM32, which is based on ARM as the microcontroller of my first car. On another car, I choose AT. I want to practice the communication between two different microcontrollers. I designed this, which is H-bridge, motor controls, and power supply. I didn't use this product because it's just a backup.